And right there guys, as you can see, I got my Netflix Plus for absolutely free. What is up guys, in today's video I will show you the only working way to get Netflix premium account for absolutely free guys. This took me under 5 minutes of my time, so it will take you even less now that I am making this video to explain everything you need to know to get Netflix premium for free. So guys, the first thing we all must do is open any browser and go to this site, itweak.co. That's itweak.co, exactly as you see right there. Type it into your browser guys. When you do actually load the site, the first thing you see is the Netflix premium right there, so make sure to tap on it guys. So now scroll down and actually tap on this inject button. Now just wait a few seconds for the site to load up everything it has to. This will not take long guys, upwards of 30 seconds at most, but you will get your free Netflix premium account in just a few minutes. So all you have to do is be patient and you will get it guys. I promise you. I got 3 accounts for my friends and I just want to show you how you can get the free account too. So guys, to get Netflix premium we have to complete 2 offers. So we completed 2 offers by installing 2 apps and opening those 2 apps for 30 seconds each. So as you can see right there, you have a list of apps right here. Tap on any of these, tap to install, and it will take you directly to the App Store where you have to download the apps from. Everything is safe, free and official, as you can see right there. So I will do that right now and I'll be back with the next step. So that is it guys, I've opened both of these apps for 30 seconds each and that is enough to complete the 2 offers. So now you can just go ahead and delete the apps because you do not need them at all anymore. And now guys, just wait a few seconds. So guys, I will wait a few minutes and I'll be back to see if this actually worked. And right there guys, as you can see, I got my Netflix Plus for absolutely free. Isn't that just amazing guys? It took me under 5 minutes of my time to get my Netflix Plus for absolutely free. Everything is completely unlocked. I can watch any movie, any TV show I want right on my phone guys. So go to itweak.co, that's itweak.co, and get yourself Netflix Plus for free while you still can guys. So let me know down in the comments if you need any help. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.